Have you ever had something happen to you that seemed terrible at the time, but later turned out to be something really positive? Well, you're not alone. This is what we call a blessing in disguise. The phrase itself has a fascinating origin, believed to have come from the mid-18th century. It's often attributed to the English writer and priest James Hervey, who used it in his writings, suggesting that what might not look great initially could actually turn out to be beneficial. So, what makes this phrase so universally relatable and enduring? Let's take a look. Imagine this. You miss your bus for work and are frustrated about being late. However, it soon starts to snow heavily, and this causes many cars and buses to get stuck in the snow. Suddenly, missing the bus doesn't seem so bad, right? That's a blessing in disguise, a misfortune that eventually reveals itself as a benefit. This concept isn't just a modern psychological coping mechanism. It's deeply rooted in many cultural narratives and religions around the world. It teaches us resilience and helps us find silver linings, even in the darkest clouds. But what's truly fascinating is how this concept plays out in real life beyond personal examples. In business, for instance, many entrepreneurs initially face setbacks, only to realize later that these challenges push them towards greater innovation and success. It was a blessing in disguise. In science, accidental discoveries, like penicillin, were initially just that. Accidents, perceived misfortunes that ended up benefiting millions. So next time something doesn't go your way, remember the story of the blessing in disguise. It might just be that what you're experiencing is not the door closing, but a hidden passage opening to something even better. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes the best blessings aren't those that are immediately obvious. Keep looking for those hidden gems. They might just change your life.